So in this video, we'll discuss how a Stream API works and what are the operations which intermediate operators do and what are the operations which terminal operators do. So in order to do that, we will be using a tool which is provided with IntelliJ, and this IntelliJ will give us an insight of what is going on inside the streams. So when you apply this filter and when you apply those collect. So in order to view this tool, what we'll do is that we'll create a breaking point first. So left click here to create a breaking point, and let's run this as a debug stream example.main. So when you run this as a debug, it will provide you a trace current stream chain tool. So click on this, and inside there you can see the different operations which are happening. So you can click on the split mode. If you're seeing a different screen, click on the flat mode and you will see this screen. So here you can see that we have a list, and then in the list we have 5 instructors. Instructor Mike, Jenny, Jean, Anthony, and Syed. So out of these 5 instructors, when we apply our first filter, then our first filter was teaches online. So you can see that this instructor made it over here to this side, and this instructor is Mike, and then second one was Anthony, and third one was Syed. So you can see these instructors, Mike, Anthony, and Syed. So when you apply a filter operation, you get a stream. So you convert this list as a stream, and then this intermediate operation after this intermediate operation, you still get a stream. And then from that stream, we applied the second filter where the years of experience is greater than 10. And then you can see that Anthony made it over here, and also Syed, because years of experience is 15 and Anthony also has 15. So again you can see that we get a stream over here. And then once we apply the collect, then it gives us the hash map. And then the key is Syed, and then the value is Java programming, Java multi-threading, and React. It's a list of courses. So this tool is really helpful for you to debug in future to see what is going on inside the stream. But the idea why I basically show you this tool is for you to have an understanding what's happening inside the stream when you call filter and when you call collect. So again, when you call filter, then in that case, this intermediate is also a stream, and this is also a stream. And when you call collect, it basically collect them into a hash map. There is one more important concept inside the stream, is that once the stream is created, that's all. You cannot go back on the stream. You cannot rerun operator. You cannot iterate back on the stream. So that's something which we need to understand. Like for example, you want to run 2 operations on the stream, you cannot do that, because once the stream is created, so for example here this stream is created and then filter is applied, so now we have a different stream. So this stream is gone. So now we only have this stream, and from this we have this. So this stream is gone. So you cannot go back and look at what was there in the previous stream, or you cannot rerun a stream, or you cannot apply multiple operations on the same stream again. So let's close this and start the debugger by clicking this square button. And now There is one more important concept which I need to inform you about is that when you call collect, then the stream operators happen. You can apply multiple filters, you can do all those things, but until you do the terminal operations like collect or other terminal operations, nothing happens. Now let's, for example, in this case, we have a list.stream and I call dot filter p1 and then dot filter p2, and that's it. Now let's create a breaking point over here and let's run it through the debugger. So to start with the debugger, it didn't open the chaining tool because there is no operation. Until you call the collect or any of the terminal operation, nothing happens, no filters are applied, nothing happens. Once you call the collect, then it basically gets into action and then apply the filters and then collect them into a map or collection, whatever you provide.